Hello, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist, Clear Skin Hair and Layer Center, Karnool. Friends, do you have a tattoo and want to remove tattoo for your own reasons? If the answer is yes, then do not bother. Here is a solution called laser tattoo removal. While tattooing, the ink is deposited deep into the skin up to dermal layer, due to which none of the cream or ointment will help you in removing tattoo ink. Do not try to remove the tattoo yourself. It may leave a permanent scar. One has to also consider various components such as colors used in the tattoo, their thickness and size while removing the tattoo. Hence, consulting an expert dermatologist is better advisable. Let us know tattoo removal treatments. In previous days, few traditional methods were used to remove unwanted tattoos like salabration, dermabrasion, skin excision, cryosurgery, chemical destruction using caustic phenol, and injection of glycolic or trichloroacetic acid. But all these methods leave a permanent scar or burn like marks. Nowadays, these types of treatments are not preferable.
The only effective way to remove a tattoo is by consulting an expert dermatologist in a reputed laser center.
Modern technique to remove tattoo involves laser tattoo removal. Laser treatment is often safer than any other tattoo removal methods because the laser selectively targets the pigment in the tattoo. Especially Q-Stitch NdArc is the only laser tattoo removal that clears the tattoo permanently without any adverse effects or scar. Types of Q-Stitch lasers available in the market: passive lasers and active lasers. Passive lasers are the type of lasers most commonly used in the beauty parlors and beauty salons. Though they are cheaper, these passive lasers can only partially remove the tattoo and cannot guarantee complete removal. Active lasers. These are expensive, but the most effective and efficient way of completely removing tattoos of almost every color. The Q-Stitch NdArc laser is the gold standard in removing tattoos. We at Clear Skin Hair and Laser Center, equipped with the most advanced and US FDA approved fractional nano Q-Stitch NdArc and the latest Pico laser to remove the tattoo effectively and faster without any mark or scar. The nano Q-Stitch laser breaks the tattoo ink into small fragments, and the Pico laser breaks these small fragments into sand-like substance, which are absorbed by the skin easily and eliminated through lymphatic system. While procedure, the tattoo removal area is first cleaned and cooling system is applied to partially anesthetize the area, and the laser pulses are given to the treated area after taking all pre-laser precautions. It requires 3 to 7 sessions depending on the color, depth and size of the tattoo. The duration between each session is 4 to 6 weeks. After treatment, sun protection and few instructions are suggested to follow for 7 to 10 days, like application of sunscreen or moisturizers on the treated area.
Clear Skin Hair and Laser Center, Karnool is equipped with world's most advanced US FDA approved laser technologies. We are committed to remove tattoo very successfully or completely by laser without any scar or discoloration. At Clear Skin Hair and Laser Center, we use gold standard laser for unwanted tattoo removal, Q-Switch, Nano, NdArc and Pico laser. and it is the first laser center in AP and Telangana states to acquire these both technologies. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. I hope I have helped you to understand laser tattoo removal treatment.